In this video, we will show you how to deposit Bitcoin to FXChoice. To start, log into your account at myfxchoice.com and make sure your account has been verified. Select Deposit from the menu on the left, then select Bitcoin as your deposit method. Click Continue to say you understand that Bitcoin payments are not instant. From the drop-down account list, select the account you want to deposit to. Enter the deposit amount, and select BTC from the drop-down currency list, or Bitcoin BIT if you'd prefer to deposit in a smaller denomination. In either case, an approximate USD equivalent will be displayed below. Please ensure that the amount is higher than $10. Tick the box to accept our Bitcoin deposit rules and click Submit. To continue, confirm the deposit amount. A Bitcoin address will be generated for you. If you are using a Bitcoin Wallet app, scan the QR code with your phone, enter the deposit amount and send the Bitcoin. Alternatively, copy the address and use your Bitcoin Wallet instead. The process is the same as a Bitcoin Wallet app, but instead of scanning the QR code, you will paste the address into the appropriate field, enter the amount and then complete the transfer. Once the transfer is started, please wait 1 hour for the funds to reach your FXChoice account. This is approximately how long it takes for 6 confirmations on the blockchain. You will receive a confirmation email to notify you that the funds successfully reached us and are ready for trading. If you have any questions, contact our support by hitting the support link in the description. Thank you for choosing FXChoice.